Want to launch a profitable e-commerce business without spending a fortune? Here are 10 AI-powered businesses in e-commerce you can start today for under $1,000. Number 1. AI-optimized niche store. Use tools like Sell the Trend or Koala Inspector to uncover trending, low-competition niches. Then, launch a focused Shopify or WooCommerce store. Number 2. Automated dropshipping. With platforms like DSers or AutoDS, you can automate product sourcing, fulfillment, and customer support, and focus on scaling your brand. Number 3. AI product description service. Offer SEO-friendly, high-converting product copy using ChatGPT or Jasper. Sell your service to busy store owners on Fiverr or Upwork. Number 4. Print on demand, powered by AI. Use Midjourney or Leonardo AI to create unique designs for t-shirts, mugs, and more. Sell via Printify or Gelato with zero inventory. Whether you're selling one product or 500, your website has to convert. EngineShark.com is an AI-powered website builder made for e-commerce. You get high-converting product pages, lead gen tools, and built-in branding, all live in minutes with zero coding. Start your store the smart way at EngineShark.com. Number 5. AI Chatbot integration. Set up smart bots using TDO or Chatbase to answer questions, guide users, and close sales 24/7. Number 6. Product Mockup Generator. Use tools like Mockup AI to create clean, realistic visuals for your products. No expensive photo shoots needed. Number 7. E-commerce email automation. Use AI copy tools with platforms like MailChimp or Brevo to write and schedule email flows that turn visitors into loyal customers. Number 8. Review and sentiment analysis. Offer brands insights into what customers are saying using AI tools like MonkeyLearn to improve products and boost credibility. Number 9. AI-driven pricing optimization. Set up tools that recommend real-time pricing changes based on market demand, competitors, and profit targets, especially great for fast-moving niches. Number 10. Visual Search Consultant. Help online stores implement visual search and recommendation features with tools like Psych or Visense, and turn browsing into buying. AI is changing how we launch, scale, and grow online stores, and you can get in for less than $1,000. Just don't forget to visit EngineShark.com to build a site that sells. Like, subscribe, and follow for more AI-powered business ideas. New drops every week.